Welcome back to another video, y'all. It's Olivia. If you've never seen my face before, hey, hello, welcome. Consider subscribing, and if you're not new here, thank you for clicking on the video once again. But y'all, we're about to get into a deep clean. It's currently Saturday, April 27th, so I am a little bit behind with spring cleaning, but I've cleaned other places in my house, but just not my room. So we're gonna do like a deep bedroom clean today, like an extreme clean, which honestly I was trying to skip out on doing this video, but I know I need to clean my room because it's been overdue. I've been putting it off, so now it's time to clean our room. But yeah, so right now I'm just currently outside of my favorite place, which is the Dollar Tree. So we're about to go on the Dollar Tree. I need to re-up on some cleaning supplies. I have a list so I don't go in there getting sidetracked, so I'm going there, get my list, come back out excited to clean. If you know you need to get up and clean too, you know, just prop me on the TV, put me on your iPad or your phone, and we're going to clean together, because you know, let's stop being lazy, let's be disciplined and clean. So yeah, y'all, we're just gonna run in here and do that. I'm not gonna talk too much, so we're gonna get right into it. And then after we get all of our stuff, we'll go back home and I'll show y'all, like, because to the naked eye my room looks fine, like it's fine, but it needs to be deep clean. So we're gonna get into that, and I'll see y'all when we get back home.
You're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, I'm hurting around you. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, I'm hurting around you. No more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears.
Alright, y'all, so I am back home. I did lay down a little bit, y'all. It's a little bit later. I don't know why I'm starting it so late. It's currently 5:37, but I've been on the move like a lot today, so I just had to sit down. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got. We got a little cleaning supply haul real quick. So this is the bin that I got from the store. I got this from Big Lots, and as y'all saw, like, it was really hard to get this, but this is like $6.99. And like, I have a big bin for like my coats and sweaters to go into, but I need like an extra one, because y'all know coats and sweaters are like super thick. So I got this just as like an extra one, just in case I have like any overflow. And then from Dollar Tree, which I love Dollar Tree. I got all these cleaning products for $18. You can't beat that. Some all-purpose cleaner, and it says spray on any surface, wipe clean, enjoy the clean, fresh fragrance. So this is good for glass, counters, tiles, wood, and stone. So we're finna see how that goes. And the scent is peppermint sage, and I just got the cleaning wipes, and this is also peppermint sage as well. And then we got some carpet cleaner. I've had this in a while. Like, I've been missing this in my cleaning routine. I've had this in a while, so we got this. Got some for the other rooms in case, you know, we decide to clean those. So I didn't want to do like no deep clean for the whole house, because I'm not there. I'm not in that mindset. So I'm just doing my room. But I got some dry, I hope these are dry, but the Swiffer jet mop things. And I plan to like dust like my baseboards, and then like the perimeter, like the upper of the ceiling. I guess that makes sense. But yeah, I got these. And then I didn't know, I feel like these are dry, but I couldn't tell. But these say dry like on the packages, so I just got them just in case. And then of course we got some disinfectant wipes. We have some glass cleaner for both, well, all three of my mirrors. Got some glass cleaner. I got a new broom, because like we done had the same broom for a while, so I got this new broom. And then this is the thing that goes on top. not on top, but this is what the broom goes inside of, like this. And then I got these 2 packs of dusters. I really like these because these help just like with dusting off surfaces. So as y'all, when y'all see when I use them, but I really like these. Like a cleaning towel. I was looking for some wood cleaner, but I guess that all-purpose cleaner gonna have to do for the wood and stuff. And then I just got some organizing baskets. So like I said, my room really to the naked eye it's not really that bad, but like see if you go like right here, you see some dust and stuff, and I just have not done like a deep clean in like a long time. Like my bookshelf is fine. I just washed my sheets like maybe 3 days ago, so those are fine as well. I'm gonna just take everything off. But as far as like taking out like my winter clothes and stuff like that, that needs to be taken out. I need to bring in my spring and summer clothes because y'all it's hot in Georgia. And then these drawers right here. So fun fact, when I rearranged my room in COVID, when I knew I was gonna be at home for a while, like these drawers already done had like stuff in it, but I moved this into my room to kind of like go with the theme, I guess. But y'all, these have not been cleaned out or decluttered. So I think I'm gonna start. I have a list like written down on my phone, but I'm gonna start and I'm gonna just move. And so I'm probably gonna do it the coats and stuff first, then declutter that, and then we're also going to tackle under the bed. So y'all, I haven't moved my bed in so long. I have no idea what's under there. So we're gonna tackle that and then just clean everything. Dust this stuff up here. Also gonna put these blackout curtains in the wash because ain't no telling when's the last time they've been washed. But we do live in an older house, so like we have like the original hardwood floors, and my room is kind of like dark, but because I got wood and all that kind of stuff. So we just gonna make it do what it do. We're gonna try our best and get it done. But y'all have a lot to do, and I can't believe I'm starting this late, but I mean it's got to get done because for one, I need to clean, and 2, I need to post a video for next week. So we're going 2 on 1. So let's get it. All right, y'all. So we about to get started with this extreme clean with me. So as y'all can see right now, all I'm doing is taking these curtains off the rod because y'all, like, I really do not think I've washed these since I got them, which is insane for real. So I, you know, since this was a deep clean, like I was like, let me wash these curtains because that's nasty. I ain't even washed them. But then I'm just moving to my closet, and this is my favorite part, y'all, because like after I take out all my winter and my fall clothes, like my closet just be so like, I don't know, like I be telling people, we live in a smaller house, so the closet space is like non-existent. But as y'all can see, like I be having to use a little bit of my dad's closet to put my stuff in. So yeah, y'all, I'm just gathering all my sweaters, coats, hoodies, because it's May now. It's way too hot. So, and we were having like it got a little cool in April, so that's why I kind of held off. But now it's like, it's hot in Georgia. It's like 85 degrees now. So what I'm doing now is just organizing all my clothes. This is kind of like what I like to do whenever I change out clothes for the seasons, because for some reason, like, I don't know, I just like moving stuff around, y'all. So like what I'm doing here is just going through like the clothes that I want to keep for this season that's been put up, and then I'm just folding away the ones like the winter stuff, like the sweaters and all that stuff. And I have this big bin. Then y'all saw the other one from Bit Lots that I went and bought. But yeah, I just like really just put on my music and locked in, because this actually took the longest. Like cleaning my room didn't even take this long. Like y'all, this took like, anyway, we'll get to that later. But yeah. Just gonna stand here. So the closet clean out took me a little bit longer than I thought it was. So y'all, this is like completely the next weekend. That's why this video is supposed to be went up, y'all. But you know, if you know, you know. But So yeah, this thing right here, like I was telling y'all, I have not, like, I had rearranged my room back in 2020 when I first came home from COVID. I came home from college and I was like, I hate the way my room looks. So I just put this piece of furniture in there, but I never looked in the drawers, y'all. It was just like a space filler. So that's what I did right there. I was just cleaning out and organizing everything. It didn't take me too long because it really wasn't a lot of stuff in there like I thought it was. But anyway, so now we're getting into later on today. So as y'all see, I just stripped my bed. Of course, we're going to wash our sheets and stuff like that. But I have not looked under my bed in so long. And like, I'm surprised that this is all it was. But y'all, this is like some old baby doll stuff, some old shoe boxes from Just Fab. Y'all know we got the jams playing. Like, don't even play like that. Like, it's not a Saturday cleanup if we do not have that stuff playing. But yeah, so I just threw that stuff in the trash. And then I'm just sleeping up under my bed. And I'm so happy that I did this because, y'all, I do have allergies. And I be wondering why I be sneezing and stuff at night. But, girl, it's because you got all this dust. So we're just going through and dusting everything right now. And then also, this really ain't got nothing to do with the video. But I'm going to link the playlist down below, y'all. Like, it's an R&B basement party playlist. I'm hooked. Anyway, so I'm gonna link that down below. Y'all be sure to check that out. But yeah, so I'm just Swiffer mopping, like dusting, LOL. Just dusting the baseboards and then the top corners of my room because these need a lot of work too. Like, I couldn't get like down in there, but we did what we had to do. So yeah, this is just like the dusting portion where I'm just dusting everything and like polishing the furniture.
I trusted you. So sad when love will make you do all the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get the strength to leave you, always tell me that you need me, and I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me, then it all remains the same. That you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My baby, come on, baby, and my heart can't take no more. No more. See, my days are cold without you.
So this is the part I said I wasn't going to do but ended up doing anyway. And I did not record this part, y'all, because I was trying to like figure out how I wanted everything to go and concentrate. But as y'all can see, I done rearranged my whole room. And like we'll do like a in-depth, you know, more in detail type thing at the end. But yeah, as y'all can see, like I was trying to put the rug up under this piece of furniture right here, but it wasn't working because I needed like, I don't know, my people gone and I can't get nobody to scoot that rug up under things. So I was like, I'm not even finna be fooling with trying to do that. But yeah, I done rearranged my room and so far I really do like it. But right here, I'm just, you know, putting down the little, I guess the carpet cleaner stuff, which really I did too much of this stuff because it's just a rug. But yeah, just jamming out once more and just, you know, getting my space back together. But yes, y'all can see this is like the finishing look, and I really like how it came out. I didn't know if I was gonna like it at first because it was so different. But yeah, y'all, so this is how my room came out, and I feel like it's functional for the space that I have and what I got to work with. So yeah, this is the extreme clean with me that turned into a room transformation as well.
Set the tone when it's just me and you alone. Never lonely, alone. Getting slowly, when you know me.
Okay, y'all, so I think we did the best what we could do with what we have. So this is the room setup. I know I did kind of like an overview, but just wanted to do a little talk through as well. So it's been a couple of days. This is my work clothes, y'all. Hey, y'all. It's been a few days since I last finished off my room, but I actually am really loving this layout, y'all. Like, we only have so many, because this is an older house, like I said. We only have so many, what's it called? Like the outlets. So there's one behind the bed right here, and then one over there in the corner. But I made it work. I just got some of the extension cords that we had, the long ones, and then, you know, strung it through to where it could get to my TV and stuff like that. But y'all, let me go from this side. I actually really like the functionality of it. I don't know, I just feel like when I lay down, I'm so much more closer to my TV. Excuse that thing of clothes over there, y'all. I didn't get a chance to do that. But yeah, y'all, so this is the finished result. Let me set y'all up real quick. It's a little cloudy outside, so I don't really have, I should have grabbed my light, but it's okay. But yeah, this is the finished results. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I could not do a whole house deep clean. Like, I'm not there yet. So, but yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it motivated y'all and inspired y'all to get up, do some spring cleaning or just cleaning in general if you haven't already. But yeah, y'all let me know if y'all like this type of videos where I do cleaning routines, because I'll clean my whole house. I just want to do it all in like one video or one day, like how some people do. Shout out to them. But yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely go check out some more videos if you like my channel. And yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all in my next video. So bye, y'all.